Welcome to CBSE English Teacher. Let's now look at the line-by-line explanation of the lesson Discovering Tut, the Saga Continues for Class 11 English. Let's begin with the lesson now. Now let's go for line-by-line explanation of the chapter. He was just a teenager when he died. The last heir of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries, he was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. Since the discovery of his tomb in 1922, the modern world has speculated about what happened to him, with murder being the most extreme possibility. Now, leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years, Tut has undergone a CT scan that offers new clues about his life and death and provides precise data for an accurate forensic reconstruction of the boyish pharaoh. Heir means inheritor or successor. Laden means heavily loaded. Speculated means formed a theory without evidence. Tomb means an enclosure to bury the dead. Forensic reconstruction means the process of recreating the face of an individual, and pharaoh means a ruler in ancient Egypt. Tutankhamun, also known as Tut, was a teenager when he died. He was the last successor of his powerful pharaoh dynasty which ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid on rest, heavily loaded with gold. His tomb was discovered in 1922, which made the world raise a question about what had happened to him and whether he had been murdered. After almost 80 years, his body was about to undergo a CT scan which would give new information and clues about his life and death. His face would be recreated with the help of a procedure called forensic reconstruction. An angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devils as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of the Kings. Dark-bellied clouds had scudded across the desert sky all day, and now were veiling the stars in cascade grey. It was 6 p.m. on 5 January 2005. The world's most famous mummy glided head first into a CT scanner brought here to probe the lingering medical mysteries of this little understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. Stirred means move or cause to move slightly. Ghostly means eerie and unnatural or unreal. Resting place here means the grave. Cemetery is a large burial ground. Dark-bellied means dark in color. Scudded across means moving quickly. It refers to the movement of the dark-bellied clouds. Veiling means to cover something. Casket is a small ornamental box or chest for holding jewels, letters, or other valued objects. Casket grey, it means that the grey clouds were like a grey colored casket which contained the stars. The stars are like jewels which are kept in a casket. Glided means quiet, continuous motion. Probe means to investigate or to find out. And lingering means long lasting. A fast, strange and unnatural wind was blowing as King Tut's body was taken from his grave called the Valley of the Kings, an ancient Egyptian cemetery. Dark clouds moved quickly across the desert all day long, and later they covered the stars. On January 5, 2005 at 6 p.m., King Tut's mummy, which is the world's most famous mummy, was placed in the CT scanner to investigate the mystery behind his death, which had occurred more than 3,300 years ago. All afternoon, the usual line of tourists from around the world had descended into the cramped, rock-cut tomb some 26 feet underground to pay their respects. They gazed at the murals on the walls of the burial chambers and peered at Tut's gilded face, the most striking feature of his mummy-shaped outer coffin lid. Some visitors read from guidebooks in a whisper. Others stood silently, perhaps pondering Tut's untimely death in his late teens, or wondering with a shiver if the Pharaoh's curse, death or misfortune, falling upon those who disturbed him, was really true. Descended means moved or gathered. Cramped means very small to fit into. Rock cut means made in a rock by cutting it. Gazed means to look in surprise or in admiration. Murals are paintings or other artworks executed directly on the wall. Gilded means covered with a thin sheet or coating of gold. Striking means prominent. Whisper means to speak in a low voice. And pondering means thinking about something carefully. All afternoon, tourists visited the 26 feet deep underground rock-cut tomb to pay respect to the king. Many people stuffed into the small tomb and looked in admiration at the murals on the walls of the chamber and took a look at the face of the Tut that had been painted with gold. While visitors read the guidebooks in a hushed tone, some stood silently, wondering about his untimely death in his teen years. They might also be wondering if the curse of the Pharaoh, which leads to the descent of misfortune upon the person who disturbs him, is true. The mummy is in very bad condition because of what Carter did in 1920s, said Zahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities, as he leaned over the body for a long first look. Carter, Howard Carter that is, was the British archaeologist who in 1922 discovered Tut's tomb after years of futile searching. Its contents, though hastily ransacked in antiquity, were surprisingly complete. They remain the richest royal collection ever found and have become part of the pharaoh's legend. Stunning artifacts in gold, their eternal brilliance meant to guarantee resurrection, caused a sensation at the time of the discovery and still get the most attention. But Tut was also buried with everyday things he would want in the afterlife: board games, a bronze razor, linen undergarments, cases of food and wine. Futile means pointless or incapable of producing the result of something. Hastily means fast or swiftly. Ransacked means raid or go through a place to steal or damage something. Antiquity means oldness. Resurrection means restoration to life. And afterlife means life after death, based on the belief that the essential part of an individual's identity continues to the next life after the death of the physical body. As Zahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt, leaned over the body to have a look, he said that the mummy was in a very bad condition because of what the British archaeologist Howard Carter did to it in the 1920s. He discovered King Tut's tomb in 1922 after a long search. The valuable treasure of Tut had been explored earlier too, but surprisingly they were complete. The treasure found at Tut's grave is the richest till date and has come to be known as the Pharaoh's legend. It has artifacts in gold which are eternally beautiful and as good as new. Such artifacts still get attention. Tut was buried with things of daily use like a razor made of bronze, games, linen undergarments, and boxes of food and wine which he could use in the next life.